Welcome home to this amazing community. It's Tresana, and if you don't know where that is, it's in Highlands Ranch, and people love it here. This townhome is beautiful. As you can see, there's lots of natural light. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, I think 1,600 square feet, pretty big. I did walk up some stairs to get to this main level, but the neighbors all say it keeps them young, so don't let that stop you if that's a concern.
Hi, I'm on the stairs up here going to the upper level, which is all the primary bedroom and 5-piece bath, a huge walk-in closet. There's even room for a desk up there. I did an open house and the people told me they were amazed at the amount of space for storage that's in this place. And the 2-car garage has an extended area that you can put more storage in there, their bikes and whatever those toys that we have in Colorado. The other thing that I love talking about toys is that you can just lock this place up and go. You can go for a month with all our technology, put a nest in, you can control the temperature, you can lock it, you can see if there's any problems. So this is a great home. You need to come see it.